Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my sweet students. How are you? Me, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Okay, today we are going to learn uppercase and lowercase letter K. Its formation, its sound, vocabulary words. So, let's start. How to write it, how to pronounce its sound, and vocabulary words. Start from the first line, come straight down, make slant line, make another slant line. It will make capital K. Start from the first line, come straight down. Start from second line, make slant line, make another slant line. It will make small k. The letter name is K. The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. K, K, kangaroo. K, K, kangaroo. K, K, kangaroo. Very good. Like this. K, K, king. K, K, key. K, K, kiwi. Wow. It's yummy. Juicy. Okay. K as for king. K, K, king. K, K, kangaroo. K, K, key. K, K, kiwi. Act of kindness. Help others when they are in need. Okay, it's story time. In the kingdom, the king had a special key. He used it to unlock the secret garden. He found kiwi fruit by his kangaroo. They enjoyed the sweet treat together. We should always eat the things together, same like king and kangaroo. I hope so that you all enjoyed today's lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.